Why a customer should order to you? Actually, this is a question you should answer to it. I'm Ben and I'm a freelance graphic designer for almost 8 years, and I've been working as a graphic designer on Fiverr for almost 3 years. As you can see, I started from 2020 and I have some idea for how to success on Fiverr. And if you look at this kind of portfolio, I just show you some gigs about to remove backgrounds. You can find out many people just say, if you wanted to success any kind of platform like Fiverr or Upwork or something like this, you should just know it's some base things and customer find you in any things anyways. So you should just start it and just they search it and find out something like this. I will remove background 50 image in white or transparency, and it started with $5, and he just ordered to get a complete order 1k 1000 ordered, or maybe it's at least 1000 orders. It's have 1000 review actually. So, and you just think about this. If this man can just make this kind of gigs just with the remove background, so I can do this. You can just do this just with a click on Photoshop or some program like this. But actually, I think you can't succeed like this. And if you can answer this question, you can be pretty success on Fiverr. Why a customer should order to you? And just look at this beside that, this kind of great other people that in exactly in this kind of general things. For example, why someone did not order this man with this kind of review, with this kind of a star, and he are seller too, and just comes to you as a new seller and just trust to you. If you have a great answer, if you have a suitable answer, so you can be a pretty success on any kind of this kind of platform. The answer should be like this: I can remove background and do something else like this. I remove background and make it suitable for Instagram portfolio, for Instagram profile, for Facebook banner or something like this. You should create kind of distinguish things in your gig. You should create creativity gigs to someone trust you as a new seller. You have no any kind of review, and a customer have no idea you are good at it or not. You can do this in a good way, or you just want to test it can be good to just working on a Fiverr. And so you at the start, you should just look at this kind of example and just create kind of general idea for yourself. So this is my skills and this is kind of things that I can do, but I can create kind of gigs to make a balance between what kind of things customer looking up on the Fiverr or other platform, and what kind of things I can make it to represent something better about your skills, about your experience. So if you want to be succeed, just look at this point. You should have you have to create kind of creativity things to someone trust you as a new seller, not just create kind of general things. And something about niche or niche marketing, about something like this, is a general things to remove background. And these days, as you can see, many other things like AI or something like this can do this exactly in the 1 second. For example, speak about some things, to advertise some things, or I don't know, to write some things, to write an article, to remove background, to create kind of charismatic photo or some things like this. So you should create kind of creativity things, and you should use kind of tools like AI or anything that comes to your life, or you can use it in your skill to create creativity things, to create to make a distinguish things in your gigs. Thank you and good.